take delivery of the 13 pallets of oxygen concentrators that have been sent from Israel by the people of Israel for the people of India. A lot of acknowledgements need to be given. First of all, I'm in gratitude as an individual, as an Indian citizen. I'd like to thank all the people from Israel who have put this effort to support us. My special gratitude comes for Israel Asia and Israel India Chambers of Commerce, Startup Nation Central, TIE Israel, Federation of Chambers of Commerce, the Export Institute and the Manufacturers Association. This operation was done with close coordination with the Embassy of Israel in India, and a special gratitude goes to Dr. Ron Malka, the Ambassador, and to the Council, Mr. Kobi Rosh. I'd also like to express my gratitude to Ginegar Plastics, Amdocs, Ice Cure, Galil Consulting, Finbro Animal Health, Fin Energy, Mir and Beagle, ANG Partners, and hundreds of good people that have contributed towards this cause. And also a gratitude towards Total Care. And I, on behalf of PS Bedi family and PS Bedi Logistics, Vicky Bedi, am very grateful for giving us this opportunity to be associated with this project. I am honored to support this project, and I'm looking forward to giving back to the Israel society. But in the meantime, thank you, people of Israel, on behalf of the people of India. Thank you very much.